Hello and welcome to Danny Picks Ads, and in today's video we are going to be looking at a very basic question that everybody asks me every time I tell them to add me in their business manager as an advertiser and give me the advertiser access. Now this word advertiser is very important here because it is not mentioned inside the business manager that this is the advertiser access. You have to understand what you are supposed to give to an advertiser and what you are supposed to be sharing with your advertiser in order for them to be able to do the work properly. So very quickly, what we are going to do is like simply going to our business manager, business.facebook.com, and it will give us a list of business manager if you have multiple business manager, and in case if you have only one of them, it will take you directly inside the business manager. The next thing is to go to your business settings. Now when you add somebody, you should know their email address for them to be able to be a part of this business manager. So quickly, you're gonna write their email address. First you click on add and then write their email address. Thank you, Sarah, for giving me her email address to add her to our business manager. So Sarah Ruhi at outlook.com. Okay, so now I can decide here what level of access I can give to her for her to be able to do ads for me. Now there is no need to give admin access to the advertiser. The admin access is important in case if you want to add the second admin to your business manager. It is always advised to have a second admin in your business manager in case if something happens to your Facebook account, something happens to your profile, your Facebook ID, and you lose access to the business manager, you already have the second admin in, and you can get that access again to your business manager. For now, like for example, in this account, I only have myself as the admin in it. I should add another admin, which I didn't, but for now the video is like for the advertiser access. So I'm gonna be giving her the employee access here. The employee access is basically the advertiser access. Now what you need to do is to, when you click on next, you have to assign what you're giving to her. For example, on the ad account level, I want her to have all the ad account, right, because she is going to be using the ad account to do the ads. Then the pages, if you have the page already built, then all the access on the pages. Now there is one important thing, and that's like these two things. Like now the Facebook has changed this button now, and if you click on this one, it will make her the admin of the Facebook page. But if you close this, it will be a custom manager, and the custom manager can do the ads while admin cannot do the ads. I have seen people where they get problem with attaching their Facebook account to the Shopify, and the reason being they have this thing turned off. If they have this turned on, there won't be any issues in connecting the Facebook account with your Shopify profile. So I'm just going to turn this off and click on invite. Now for an advertiser, it is important to use this pixel right here in the data sources, but I cannot assign the pixel right away until she accepts the permission. So let's just copy the link. Let me send her the link, and that way she can accept it. Okay, so I have resent her the invitation, and she's probably going to be accepting it in a while. Okay, so okay, let me refresh this. I believe I did it right on the other. Okay, so yeah, now I have this second ID right in here. So she used this as her name for all the all the accept permission that she needs to accept, just in case if you forget like which account you have. Just keep one of your name inside it. It's always advised to keep your original name inside the Facebook, but you can use absolutely anything that you want to call yourself inside the business manager. So now that she is inside it, I have to check her permission. So the pages, I have given her the pages permission. I have the ad account, so I have given her the ad account permission, but the pixel permission is not right properly done here. So the pixel, I only have myself added to the pixel. So I will quickly go to the app people, and I will click on her name and select both of the option and assign it. Now, when you are inside the business manager, there is an easy way to look at all the information if it's done properly or not. So starting from the top, you'll see the people. There's if, for example, if this is the advertiser, then this advertiser is the people, has the access to the pages, ad account pixel. Then go to the pages. Pages has the access to both of the people. Go to the ad account. Ad account has the access to the people. The connected asset should be empty. And then you go to the data sources. You have the pixel, and pixel has both the people and the connected asset should be your ad account. If all of this is done properly, then you have given the proper permission that is required for a person to work on behalf of you as your advertiser for Facebook ads. And if it's done this way, you can run the ads yourself as well. So make sure whenever you give permission to somebody, you follow all these rules. For example, sometimes people do give the permission, but they forgot to give the permission to the pixel. Or if they even give the permission to the pixel, they forgot to connect it with the ad account. That's why it's not showing inside the ads manager when you're creating the ads. Any other questions you guys have, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video on that.